What's up guys, my name is Mats and today I'll teach you how to beat match in 90 seconds. Let's go. So the first thing you're gonna need is a couple songs. It doesn't really matter which genre they are as long as they have a very pronounced beat. Now you're gonna use these songs to practice on your DJ controller while listening only through your ears. So please make sure to stay away from the sync button and make sure that you can't see the waveform. Now, this is an old pair of CDJs. They don't have a sync button or a waveform, but if you're using newer equipment or if you're playing with your laptop, just make sure to cover the screen. Now, what you're gonna do is this. You're gonna put the beat of the first song in a loop. You're gonna do the same thing for the second song. You're gonna match the BPMs and then you're gonna play both songs. You're gonna listen attentively through your ears and slowly turn the jog wheel up and up and up and up and up. Now, at some point, the beats will start to match. After that, you go too far. Then you just have to turn the jog wheel back to where it was before. That's all. Just practice a lot, practice with different genres, practice with different music, and at some point your ears will slowly start to notice the difference better and better. That's all you need. I wish you the best of luck.